Hey y'all, I'm out here shooting me a YouTube video. Oh my bear. You ever seen the Mythbusters about hiding under the water when they shoot?
It worked.
Alright, so give me that drop shot. We gotta go weedless in here.
Yep, I'm just gonna use a little swim jig again. F it. I've got a little Ned rig. It's probably pretty shallow all the way around. Look how big they are out in the middle. The lily pads.
Yeah. Do you have any friends that don't know how to fucking shoot and aren't outdoorsy? Let's say that'd be the ones you want to bring out here and give them a gun. I love watching people like that.
I don't have any friends.
I don't really either.
I mean, looks like there'd be fish, doesn't it?
I don't know if that was whatever grass was in there, that was hardy. It was green. I mean, it's wintertime, so they're going to be a little sluggish. Did you see Merritt's video last night that he shared of the new swim bait topwater frog?
Like, if this was closer, I'd like to go fishing somewhere and bring a couple good-sized bass out here.
Oh, you could go to Bridgeport. You just need a boat and a live well.
Yeah.
You'd have to stop at the main road or something. You could drag the trailer up here, but you could come up with a quad and a cooler and bring them out here.
Yep. I'm just amazed I'm not seeing any bluegill or anything. Kind of surprised. There's a paddle. There are no fish in this thing. There's no way. That's where I like to go sit. I go camp up like right over there. Put a little pop-up blind.
Where you hunt?
Oh, there ain't gonna be shit in here. Some of the best fishing of my life right here.
Yeah, sure.
You big old poon.
Let's see this trail.
I came out here one time in the middle of the night to get a pig.
It was in your trap or just to shoot one with a bull?
Yeah, it was in a trap.
How'd you know it was in your trap?
I didn't.
Oh, you just drove out here to look?
Yeah, I set a trap and then
I don't know if I'd go much.
boy, let me tell you what.
Yeah, it gets a little better.
We can make it this far, we can make it all the way. Well, depending, there's one more spot that's sketchy.
You can turn around.
If you think that one back there was sketchy, you'll see this one up here and you'll be like, nah, let's not go that way.
That's why they made four-wheelers. Water, pond water.
Oh, I see it. Damn,
I don't think I'm getting BBs.
you gotta talk it back.
I don't think I'm getting it.
Got it.
Yeah, I got it. What's stopping me, bud? A nice looking spider. Come back up.
Oh, shit. There's a couple of them. Oh, they hit me in the stomach.
Sorry.
Asshole.
I didn't mean to. I can't control Ricky, Jake. You gotta walk all the way out there?
This way. I've driven my truck down there.
This way?
Oh, I thought I saw a bird. Somewhere over there. It wasn't as washed out. It was more like this. It wasn't bad.
How the hell I'm bringing a raptor anywhere around here?
See that?
Yep.
See, you know what that is? No. Bobcat. Bobcat's still big and I wouldn't want to mess with one, but.
That's 70, probably 50, 70 pounds.
They're big.
Yeah, I've seen them.
They're probably not that. They're not that big.
Deer.
Huh?
Deer right here.
Deer or pig. Should have got some tannerite.
Let me get behind you. I think that round's a little big because it didn't have a chance to explode. You blew it up.
It didn't do anything?
No, it just disintegrated.
It just went away.
It just disintegrated.
Just
Watch it on the video.
4570's a little much.
I think that was a little bit overkill for that. A pellet gun might have made a better video because it had probably shot off. It just blew up.
I didn't even see where it went.
No, literally, it just blew up, bro. There's no parts left. As I said, probably a bit overkill. If you could kill elephants with it, I think a 12 grain CO2 cartridge might be overkill.
Maybe. Ready?
Yep. Blew it up all over me.
There we go. Shoot it.
Yeah, fuck it, I want to shoot this out. Top key. Top right. Dusted that bottle.
Dude, it's just dinging off that thing.
Not mine. Do it.
Big difference there.
It's a tough shot with a rifle. A little bitty ass light bulb.
Yeah. Try it with a handgun. Dang old xylophone. Tell you what.
It's a good one.
Alright. Let me try this xylophone again. Which one's more powerful?
I got more rounds though. I got more rounds in optics.
That xylophone's done. Alright.
I just hit the glass neck. I think you missed it. Right here. Unless you blew it in half.
Holy shit, it caught the bullet. It caught the bullet.
Well, if you need, now you know if you need cheap body armor, just tear apart a xylophone. We gotta cut that open. You ain't gonna pry that open.
I think so. Hold your hand out. It's 4570. Caught by the G.
G unit.
That's pretty dang cool.
There you go, souvenir, buddy.
I wonder how much of the 405 grains is left.
I don't know.
Not much.
I don't know about the Marines, but you guys probably all had Colts, didn't you? Your ARs?
We had some FNs.
See, we had everything we had. Army had was Colts.
I remember having FNs. I know we had Colts too, but I don't remember.
Mine that I carried all year with a Colt.
That anthill needs shot. Let's let him get out. Get him worked up. Damn, that's a lot of ants. This place in the springtime is, it's covered in frogs. There's so many damn frogs. It's crazy.
Normally, and today there's none.
Of course not. It's cold.
Look at that splash!
Boy!
I didn't have one muff on.
Come on, boy. Get that gate. So, that wraps up our little shooting fun, and Derek's here trying to get the gate. I don't know if he can figure it out or not, but maybe. Let's see. You having trouble? Let me go get this gate real quick. Let's go get a picture with the cows, man.
I'm good. Wonder what they think they're getting fed.
Cows want to be my friend. They want to be my friend.